Zardar News. The extraordinary weight gain experiment of 30-year-old Russian fitness influencer Dmitry Noyanzin ended tragically. Dmitry Vazana wanted to gain weight quickly by taking a 10,000-calorie junk food diet, but this plan became the cause of his death. According to foreign media, Dmitry was from the Russian city of Orenburg and wanted to show his followers how to gain more weight before a weight loss program. For this purpose, he started eating junk food for a few weeks and planned to gain about 25 kilograms. The influencer's diet plan included pastries and cakes for breakfast, momos dipped in 2 pounds of mayonnaise for lunch, burgers and pizza for dinner, and heavy snacks, including potato chips in between. In a single month, his weight increased by 13 kilograms to 105 kilograms.